Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kementeri kepada ipet je keterat kekot kekia kejela ke Dr. Meghalaya berin lingdo ke laong. Bakla Leit kenang se Japan ban kemi daladi je nurse negani kejela Kiba tere ke jaka Sumar namar kiladon sekiba batai ban Ïalam Bakla ye ke sinjam ke baka sorkar ke la shim ke benta ki samla ban yo Leit tere shabar jong ke Riew. Haba ye keren bagi nong thok hubor ke sni baar ke kong amperin ke laong. Ba kila don sa kiba sedang ban pun soto bakala bagi nurse kiba ka sorkar MDA ka pa se Japan kide kiba dai ban Sumar ye ki Riew Tymmen henry ke jing shisha kalong bagi ni nurse kiba ka sorkar kala pelilat ban yo Leit tre se Japan kide kiba tre ban ai jing shakri ye ki jaka Sumar. Kalau ong bahadin begini nurse na Meghalaya kila de ban ai jing shakri sansnem kin sayo jing ithuru ke Japan bat kan long ke jing mentoy ye ki. Kokong amprin kalau ong baga Japan kadang don kam susu iginus na Meghalaya ban Leit tre ketika Riew ban kalian ke sorkar jelaru kandang taulat kumno ban pa susu iginus kabalong shisha kalat kaba ajing mentoy.
The first benefit that I have received from this trip is firstly see with my own eyes that our citizens are safe, secure, happy, treated well, and are managing the job in a foreign country. That is the first thing that I did. Japan is a very strict nation. They're very conservative. It's very troublesome when we engage in employment avenues and opportunities like this. We have to be very cautious. Firstly, they're very particular about their language, particular about time, particular about their food, particular about everything. And their protocol is very deep. So it's important for us before we send more nurses because they're asking us for more nurses. So you mean to tell me that it was peaceful? Certainly not. Yes, some people will speculate, but it doesn't really matter. I have done a good job by going and certifying by myself. These nurses are located in different parts of Japan. So Honorable CM did 2 locations, I did 3 locations. We have to verify. We have to make sure that we're sending our kids to a good place. And this is the first time that we're doing something like this. If people think that my trip was wasteful, that's they're entitled to think what they want. I also visited the shiitake mushroom. I also visited some other farms which are engaging in different forms of agriculture, drip irrigation. Then I have seen workers because now they're asking for people in the agriculture sector also. I was wondering why would they want somebody from Meghalaya to go and work there in those sectors. When I went there, they were manned by Nepalis, by Vietnamese, by different people. So it's important for us to know where we're sending our citizens. Important for us to go back and check, keep a tab. That is something that I have done. And I feel that by myself going, I have learned so much. In the shiitake mushroom cultivation, we have learned that there is a requirement for a certain kind of a wood. In my state, in our state, felling of such trees is not possible. What is the alternative produce? What is the alternative product? We have to think, we have to experiment, we have to exchange ideas. We have the weather because their farms, they have to reduce the temperatures to suit our ideal temperature here. We have a problem. We need to know how to sort out these problems. So we are finding out ways and means because if you have to engage productively in any activity, if you go by yourself, you learn. And that's exactly what I have done. And if anybody thinks it's wasteful, then they're entitled to think like that. But I don't need a certificate from them. I have justified my trip, and I think what I did was the right thing to do.
Can you tell us what is the prospect?
Together.
Yeah, altogether.
Altogether, 26 nurses will go in the first first, second, and third batch. 10 more are being requisitioned now. We need to figure this out because there is a misconception that these nurses go to Japan and just take care of the elderly. They don't work in hospitals, they don't do this, there is no future, there's this. I found out. So even a nurse from the state of Meghalaya can become a certified nurse in Japan after 5 years of service. They have to do an examination, a qualifying examination, and they're working in proper hospitals, proper setup. Certain nurses are caregivers, certain people are working in actual hospitals. So it's important for me to know, and I feel that I have done the right thing to do it.
Will you be taking up